guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So guys, today I'm going to talk about a face serum which I have been recently started using it, and I'm absolutely in love with that face serum. And the product is from Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Serum. So the actual product inside this box. So if I talk about the packaging, guys, packaging is really good. It is far better than the basic packaging that is available in the market. So now let me quickly show you guys the bottle which is inside the box. So here I open it, and the bottle here is this one. So this cute little bottle has the actual product inside, and it is very cute, right? So this serum basically, guys, it will boost your radiance, it will help you reduce your pigmentation. I am slightly pigmented in the corners of my lips in both the sides, so this will help me reduce these pigmentations for sure. So and the application is very smooth, guys. To apply this, it is very easy. So let me now quickly show you how do I apply this. To open this, you will find a lid out here. You just have to pull this out, and this is how the thing is. So you just have to press it and take out the amount you require. So you just need to take out a very minimal amount, just a pea size. So I'll just quickly show you the amount which I usually take it. So this is the amount I have taken it. So the consistency is very smooth. It is not sticky at all. So this is how, with the help of my fingers, I just take it and apply it all over my face and neck. So now to apply it, there are two ways that people use. One is that people usually just massage it all over your face and neck, or else we just dab it. So I prefer both, but this time I'm just dabbing it to show you guys. You can either massage it or dab it. Guys, the fragrance is so nice. I think it is the main USP of this product. This fragrance is so nice. It is very nice. Actually, all the products from Lotus Botanicals, the fragrance is so amazing. You should definitely try and check. So this face serum, guys, it is suitable for all skin types, and it has like no preservative, no toxic chemicals used. So it is very safe. And even when you buy this product, you will be able to see right in the middle of the bottle that it says certified safe cosmetics. So it has also a certification of safety, so it is completely safe. It is also, guys, 100% vegan. It is cruelty free, it is paraben free, it is mineral oil free. So it is very nice. So I am done applying this on my skin and my neck. So in neck, I usually actually massage it, but on skin, sometimes I dab it and sometimes I apply, by massaging it all over my face. So the main ingredient, guys, of this face serum is vitamin C. And vitamin C, guys, it basically, targets like the dull, uneven and aging skin, making it like more lighter, brighter and firmer. And we all know that vitamin C is so important and so effective actually for our skin, So yeah, now the price, guys, the price of this face serum, the most effective face serum I have found it yet, and it is rupees of 745. It is definitely worth buying it. So I would also recommend and suggest you guys to grab these as soon as possible and enjoy your skin getting brighter and glowing day by day.